What if you lost your income tomorrow? Most people aren't financially prepared. An emergency fund protects your future. You can build one within 12 months. Let's start with the first step. Calculate your monthly living expenses first. Include only your essential monthly costs. Imagine your essentials total $2,000. Multiply that number by 6. That's your emergency fund target. Next, break the goal down. Divide your goal across 12 months. That's $1,000 monthly. Small progress creates huge results. Keep this money completely separate. Use a dedicated savings account. Don't mix savings with spending money. Automate your monthly savings immediately. Automation removes the temptation to spend. Now find extra money to save. Cancel subscriptions you rarely use. Cook more meals at home. Save every small amount consistently. You're already building financial security. Next, increase your income. Start a simple side hustle. Choose work that fits your schedule. Save every extra dollar earned. Bonuses can boost your progress. Tax refunds belong in your fund. Sell things you no longer need. Turn unused items into savings. Track every dollar you save. Write down every expense daily. Budget apps make tracking easier. Spot habits that waste money. Delay wants before buying them. Wait 24 hours before shopping. Ignore discounts you never planned. Every skipped purchase builds security. Review your progress every month. Celebrate every monthly milestone reached. Small gains add up quickly. Adjust your budget when needed. Halfway there, keep going strong. Consistency beats perfection every time. Your future self will thank you. One last step to complete. Stay consistent until you finish. Keep saving every single month. Avoid spending your emergency savings. Use it only for real emergencies. That's exactly why it exists. Refill it after every withdrawal. 1 full year has passed. You reached your savings goal. Now you're financially more secure. Enjoy greater peace of mind. Next, start building long-term wealth. Your financial journey continues today. Small habits create amazing results. Every dollar has a purpose. Preparation beats panic every time. You've built a powerful financial habit. Remember these 4 simple steps. Budget, save, track, and repeat. Share this knowledge with others. Everyone deserves financial security. The best day to start is today. Take your very first step. Like and subscribe for more money tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.